Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with Zintrodex, and today we are looking at the analysis on the equity stock market, Nike. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technicals, which is going to be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. We'll have a lot of support and resistance points, maximum entry, correlation, oscillation, checking, and of course, put up to the very top, which is at 64.74, and a series of ascending and descending triangles. But first, fundamentally, we can say that Stifel maintains Nike stock rating amidst the deepest revenue decline. Stifel maintained its hold rating at $64 price target at Nike, following the company's fourth quarter fiscal 2025 results, which showed the steepest revenue decline since implementing its win now strategy. And according to Investing Pro, we understand Nike's current market capitalization stands at $92.31 billion, with the stock trading at a profit entry ratio of 20.66. And Nike has reported an 11-year-over-year currency neutral revenue decline in the quarter, although results exceeded street expectations by $400 million in revenue and in earnings per share, according to Stifel's analysis. Now, Investing Pro analysis shows that Nike maintains a good overall financial health score, despite the revenue challenges with robust liquidity as current assets exceed short-term obligations. The sportswear giant continues to face headwinds from its classics product cleanup, which Stifel expects will remain a drag through the first half of fiscal 2026, with management not committing to a timeline for returning to top-line growth or margin expansion in the upcoming fiscal year. Nike appears slightly undervalued at current levels, though investors should note that analysts anticipate continued sales decline in the current year. For deeper insights, we are going to start marking out important zones, starting with important resistance and support zones that is going to back this movement up. Important support at 59.13. And then we are looking to draw ascending and descending triangles to better understand what this market is going to be looking like. So with all this being said, we're still going to be looking out for a breakout of the up zone to a potential new zone. Which is 64.36. And the breakout of this zone, we're extending to a very much more important zone, which would be at hopefully 65 to 66 axis, which of course we're expecting to be good money. So with this happening, we're expecting more and more push up to make sure that we get the value expectation of our profits on the Nike pair. So if you have positions already, you can add more positions for buy. We just currently broke out of this important resistance zone, and we're expecting to head up to this point at least at 64.36, which we are assuming to be good money from this entry point at the open of the stock market. That's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Nike. I remain your host. Bye for now.